everyone. It's a little bit nippy this morning. Temperatures are dropping overnight, but it's gonna get out sunny again. As you can see, there's a low-lying fog in the valley bottom, but it's a really pretty view in the background there. So let's see what we can get up to today. Morning, Bobby. Hello. Where's all your brothers and sisters, huh? What are y'all got? Oh, we're all sleeping this morning. Oh, we're still sleeping. Hello. I can't get to you, man. Hello. He's a good boy. There we go. You've already had your biscuits. You're starving. Girls are all waiting to go out for water and to look quite heavy and lamb. Going out in a bit, girls. Wait till he brings the feed on the truck, and then we're going to shut the gate behind the truck and you can all go out to water. Yeah? Oh yeah, and then we have breakfast. And you get you some salt today, girls. Yeah, because we're all looking very in lamb and you've eaten all your salt. Yeah. Love it how they queue up in a line. Organised ladies, aren't we? Yay! Spot the dog. Hey Rexy. This is Rexy. And he's not completely blind, but his vision's not very good. So he tends to follow the other dogs and the sheep. Close call. So he knows where he is in the yard. He's a very handsome young man, aren't you? Run! My fault, I left the gate open. He's getting big now. Woo! Look at them babies. Fresh Farmix. Caring. Hey kids. Girls are all coming for their breakfast. And as you can see, oh, tripped up there. Starting to get nice little bellies going. All the dogs wanting to get in on the action. Woohoo! What's your grumbling for? Another one with a huge belly. He's a good boy with his meds on a baby. Yes, he is. Mummy, I just need mummy loves. Mummy loves. Got a bit of a bloated belly, haven't you? Yes. So we have to take some medication to help. But we're all good, aren't we, Mitch? Yes, we are. They're having a breakfast, so I'm gonna go get a coffee. What are you all doing out, huh? I make a pen to keep you in and you're all out again. Yes, you are. You're into everything, aren't we, huh? If you've watched some of his previous videos, when we had a little chick, little gosling chick, this is a now. We now call it Big Bird. Aren't you beautiful? Yeah, beautiful. Right, that's it for today, folks. Got a few little jobs we need to do this afternoon, tidying up. So I'll catch you in a bit. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care, everyone. Bye.